Welcome to Fino Concept. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our future videos.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Theo from Fino Concept. So today we are going to be creating pages. So let's open up our browser here. So to create a page, just go to pages and click on add new. Now we want our first page to be the home page. So it doesn't really matter which order you create it. So I'll start with home. Then I'll publish it. I'm going to leave it blank and I'll publish it. Then I'll click on add new and create an about us page. I'll publish that too. Actually, I have this I'll be referencing. So we have code of conduct, principles, CEO. So we can see that under code of conduct, we have mission statement, vision, and objectives. Now these are all under code of conduct, meaning there's nothing under code of conduct. It is a page on its own, but these are sub pages. That's what I mean. I'll be explaining it when we get to menus. So I'll create a mission statement, vision, and objectives. So let's add a new one. Mission statement. I'll publish that up. Now this is something I like doing frequently. I just open up as many as possible. So I just open them in a new tab. So the next one will be vision. Publish that, move to the next one. Objectives. Publish that. Principles, CEO. And we have CEO, publish that too. So we are going to create what let's forget about these for now. What we do, gallery, blog, contact us. So what we do, you know what, let's forget about that too. Let's just create a gallery, our blog, and let's add one more. So I'll go ahead and close this up. So the last one will be contact us page. Okay, so to view all our pages, you just click on pages here or all pages. Now you can see the list of pages we have created so far. Now let's just say you have some information you want to input on individual pages. All you have to do is, if it is about us, you just open about us. So let's just work with about us for now. So I'll grab my information from my desktop. So I have mine here. So phenomenal concepts, blah blah blah. I'll just highlight this entire thing, copy it out, and I will paste it in our about us page. So I'll paste it in here. Now you can see that from my document I have here, we have an image. Now how do we import this image in there? So first of all, I'll have to save this image, obviously. So I'll just save it as, let's just give it a random name, image, and I'll save it on my desktop as well. Okay, so I'll come back to my dashboard, and to add an image, now I'll make sure my cursor is here. To add an image, I'll just click on add media, then I'll click on select files. So I'll select where the image is, which is this one, and I'll open it up. Now once you attach a file, you have these options on your right. So you can add a caption, alternative text, and your description. I'm not going into that. So for alignment, it's set to none, so you can align it to the left, can align it to the center or right. All these you can do them after you've inserted them into the page. So insert into page. So you can see currently the size is set to medium. So if I insert to page, it's just a medium size that is showing here. So if I click on my image, which is right here, you see we still have those settings: align center, align right, no alignment, and we have this edit icon here. So if I click on it, I can change it to full size. So that will make it the full size and take the entire screen. So if you go ahead and preview this, you can see it is taking up our entire website. The same way, if we click on edit, we can change where it should link to. So currently it's set to link to none. So if I click on this image, it is linked to nothing. Now if I change this to media file and update it, anytime we click on the image, it's going to show us where the image is saved. So if I click on it, this is the image. You can go ahead and save it up again. The same way, if I click on link to and change it to attachment page, this is going to send us to the page in which this file is attached. So preview changes. So if I click on the image right now, this is the page the image is attached. Now you don't want this on your website, so I'll just go ahead and edit it and change this to if you also change it to a custom URL, you can just input a URL inside. So we haven't gotten to hyperlinks here, so I didn't want to talk about that. But when we get to hyperlinks, I'll talk about custom URL. But just so you know, just because we are here, I'm just going to input, if we say www.google.com.gh and update this. When we preview changes, anytime we click on this image, it is going to go to google.com. So you can see that from here. Now this isn't working. This is actually attaching to our link because I didn't add in the HTTPS. So if you want to do that, you have to make it HTTP. Google is secured, so you have to type it like so. That's not what you are looking at, so now you can see it is directed to Google. So let's just say I have a different form of media I want to add to this website. I'll just go ahead and remove this temporarily. So let's just say I have an audio. You can see we can create a gallery. That will be a list of images showing on the page. So let's just go ahead and create a gallery. So I'll select a file. I have a few images from here. So gallery. You know what? Let's create this on our gallery. So I'll undo this image and update it. So when I go back to pages and we want to create a gallery, so I'll open up my gallery page, which is here, and I'll add media, click on create gallery and select which files I want to use. So I'll go to where my files are, which will be in gallery folder. I'll highlight them all and open them up. Now it's saying that the maximum size, maximum upload size is 2 megabytes and my images are more than 2 megabytes. How do we go about this? Well, there's a plugin for doing that, but since we haven't gotten to plugin yet, I'm just going to ignore that for now. So let's just go ahead and grab any set of images. So when we get to plugins, I will show you guys how to get that. So let's just say we pick up these images. Okay, so these are working because their file size, you can see from here, is lesser than 2 megabytes. So I'll create a gallery and you can set it to thumbnail medium file size. You know that. I'll set this to none, so anytime you click on the image, it doesn't go anywhere, and I'll insert this gallery. Now you can see we have a gallery in our gallery page. So if I preview this, this is what we get. As simple as that. Now there are other ways of making this gallery page much nicer. So I'll be talking about that when we get to individual pages like the contact us page, the blog page, the gallery page. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll be creating menus. Whoa, this is what I wanna do. Whoa, let's have some fun.